Hello everyone, good morning. So, where we stopped in the last session? The last session we discussed about string methods, right? We discussed about some scenarios, right? Yes, no? So, anyone have any questions so far? Anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions? So, what is the written type of map method in Python? What is the written type map method in Python?
Yeah, right.
Directly, no. Map method written type is it gives us directly an array. Hmm? You are expecting like a list. Okay, here not a list, but exact answer. Tell exact answer. Anyone? Yesterday we discussed something. That's right. That is that map. Map method returns me what? Okay, if you call map, okay, the first one, whatever it may be for now. The second one is like what? A iterator. Okay, for example, okay, here whatever you want to put it, iterator object. Okay, now if you run this one, is it gives me a list? It gives me a map object. It's not directly gives as a list. Okay, when it is going to give us as a list, okay, if you convert this one into list, if you pass this map object to my list, then the time it is converted like a list. Directly map not returns me, okay, a list array. Okay, same like this, the same story applicable for what? Filter also. If you observe here, filter also it gives me filter object. The same thing applicable for reduce also. Okay, reduce is not direct method, which is coming from another package. What is this package and everything? We'll see that. Understood? Okay, yesterday we discussed some methods. Okay, which methods we discussed? Which methods we discussed? Frequently used method. Few methods we can discuss. Okay, which methods we discussed in last session? One is like strip we discussed, right? Remove. Okay, remove the space last or first. Okay, if you have the empty spaces starting of the string or ending of the string, then the time. Okay, if you want to remove, then you can go with the strip or not. Okay, now I have a string is the Sachin. I have a string is the Sachin. Now inside this one, look, I'm going to write like this. You only explain. Okay. Hmm. Can anyone talk about this one? Can anyone talk about this one? Hmm? By seeing these results, can anyone tell something about the find? At least one person. Come on. Hmm? Simple, right? First, tell something about the find. Find is what? Find is a Name is what? From here we can start. Name is what? Name is a, come on, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
What is this name? Name is an
Good.
object of string class or not? It's a variable only, but name is an object of string class or not? Yes or no? You are able to call find means find. You are able to call with one object reference, one method. It means that method inside that class or not. So name is an object of string class. Find is a method inside the string class or not? Find is the method inside the string class. Okay, now find take find take, okay, how many parameters? Maximum how many parameters? Find take, come on, you have to analyze like this only. Find take maximum how many parameters? Find take maximum how many parameters? Hmm?
Mm.
3, right? If I give like 4, find take at most 3 arguments only, 4 given. But I said like in Python, exact number of arguments you have to pass, otherwise it gives me an error. Like that I told, right, one statement, but that statement is not valid, right? Here, how many parameters my find is going to take? Find take how many parameters? 3. Here I passed like 3, that's okay. But here 2, here 2, okay, here 1, here 1, here 1. That time I didn't get any error, right? What I said in Python. In Python, while calling a function or a method, that particular function or method exactly take how many parameters, that many values you have to pass it. But here, how many my find method taking? How many? 3. But how many you passed here? Am I passed 3? But it's not gives me an error. Am I passed 3? It's not gives me an error. Why? We'll tell that one. We'll come back again. Tell me something about the find. Tell me something about the find. Hmm? Very simple, huh? Find is an object. Okay, find is a method inside the string class. It's take maximum 3 parameters. Okay, first parameter is like what? Your search item. Which item you are searching inside the string ch? Yes, I'm searching for ch. There are not there are there. If it is there, it returns me true. Why it returns me true? Why not some other? Why? Because in the string, if you observe, okay, 0th position s is there, first position a is there, second position c is there. So ch, so the matching string is there. So the starting position is what? To my ch, to my matching string, starting position is what? To my matching string, starting position is what? Tell me. Ch is there. What is the starting position? Starting position is like 2. So that it returns me true or not. Okay, true or not. Now I have one small question. Okay, what is the return type of find? What is the return type of find?
Integer.
Sorry?
Integer.
Integer, right? Return type of find is like an integer or not? See this. If to what is return type? I already told you. Return value is what? While calling a function, whatever the value it is going to give, that one only the return value, right? So this return value 2, -1, 5, 5, -1, these all are what? Integers, right? These all are like integers or not? Yes or no? So now tell me some points about the find. Not only find, in future, if you want to analyze like this only, you have to analyze. Name is an object of string class. Inside the string class, find is a method. So I called by using the object of string class. In this case, name. It's take maximum 3 parameters. The first parameter is like what? The first parameter is like what? Your search item. If that item is there, then the time it gives me the, okay, starting position, starting index or not. The matching string is there. It is going to return the starting index. What is the starting index? 0, 1, 2. This is my starting index or not. My starting index is like 2 or not. Agree with me?
Sir.
My starting index is like 2. Okay. Agreed, everyone? Okay. Then. Now here name dot find. Okay. Here what? H N I. H N I. There or not there? H N I. There or not there? Not there. Okay. If the search item is not there, what it is going to return? What it is going to return? -1 or not. Now find of n. There or not there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that it gives me 5. Okay, now you can tell something about this. What is this one? Hmm? What is this one? Name dot find. First one is like n. N there or not there? There. Okay. One. What is this one? I don't know. Okay, just tell me. Here, yes, there or not there? Okay, capital S. You can put it. Yes, there or not there? Yes, there or not there? Capital S there or not there? Python is a case sensitive there. But why it gives me -1? You said like if it is not there, -1, but S is there, na? Why means very simple answer. See, first it is looking for which? Come on, you're looking for which search text. That means which item you are looking for? Yes. Okay, yes, there. But here, if I remove this 2, then the time my answer is what? Yes is there. That the reason my answer is 0. Yes. But if I give like 2 here, my answer changed. My answer is like -1. Why you know? You are looking for yes. If there is no second argument, second parameter, it is looking for yes from 0th index. From 0th index, if I looking for yes, there are not there are. From 0th index, if I looking for yes, there are not there are. Yes, there. So that if it is there, what is the position? 0 is the position. Now, if you come to this one, you are looking for yes, sir. Now, if it is not there, what is my starting index, sir? From where you want me to search for the item? 0th index. But the second parameter is there, right? 2. So, from where it is going to search? Second argument. Okay, that means second index. 0, 1, 2. From here, it is going to check. In this particular CHIN, yes is there or not there? Come on, I'm looking for yes from second index. Okay, if I remove this one, I'm looking for yes from which index? 0th index. So that yes, yes, 0th index 0. So that my output is like 0. The next one is like I'm looking for yes from which index? I'm looking for yes from which index?
Second.
Second index. If I looking for yes 0, 1, 2 from second index, yes is there or not there?
Not.
Not there. If it is not there, find returns me what? If the search item is not there, find returns me what? -1 or not. Okay? Okay then. Now come here. Now, if I run this one, it gives me 2. Okay. It gives me 2. If I run this one, it gives me -1. Why? Let's go. You are looking for which item? You are looking for which item? I. So that I. There are not there are. Okay. Don't search for the item. Wait. Now the second argument there are not there are. Tell me. Second argument there are not there are. If it is not there, what is my default value? If it is not there, what is the default value? 0. Third one also there. Third one also not there. Then what is the default value? End of the, that means last index. Now first value, okay, also there, last one also there. So first one is what? 2. Second index 0, 1, 2. Okay, second value is what? 3. 2, 3 difference is what? 1. So that here it is looking for I. Okay. Now if you come here, tell me what is the answer? Still -1. Still -1 only. Why? I am looking for I. Okay, I am looking for I. From where to where? 2, 4. Starting is what? 2. 0, 1, 2. Okay, 2, 4 difference is how much? 2. So that CH. In the CH, I there or not there? In the CH, I there or not there? In the CHI there or not there? Not there. If it is not there, what is my value? -1 is my value. Yes or no? Now what is the answer? Can anyone tell? Now what is the answer? Can anyone tell? Now what is the answer? Can anyone tell?
4.
It's a general thing, right? Okay, if you come here, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? You are looking for what? H. Okay. Starting index there. 2. Okay. Okay. Ending 4. Difference is how much? 2, 4 difference. 2. So that this is my search area. CH. Inside the CH, H there or not there? Yes, there. So that H there, that the reason. What is my H index? H index is how much? 0, 1, 2, 3. So that 3 is my H index. Understood? Now this one everyone knows. It's take maximum 3 parameters, but you given like 4, so that it gives me an error. So that it gives me an error. Understood everyone? About the find method. Find is used for what? Find is used for find a element. Find a element. Okay. Find a element inside the string. It returns me a number, integer value. If it is positive, that particular set item is there. If it is like a negative, it is not there. Understood everyone? Next, is there any other way? Is there? Is there any other way? Is there? Is there any other way to find one? Okay, one character is there or not there, or group of character there or not there in the string? Is there any other way? Is there? Hmm? What is this one? What is this one? Hmm? Which operator?
Membership.
Membership operator, right? By using membership operator also, we can find okay, one item or string, right? Okay, you can talk like a string only. A character or group of characters there or not there in the string. If you want to find it, you can go with the find method, or you can go with the operator called as a membership operator or not. Agreed everyone? All okay? Everyone is okay, right? About the find method? Okay then. Now I have a question. Hmm, I have a method, okay na? Listen carefully. Okay. If I call some like this, what's my answer?
Parameters.
Parameters. Expected 0 given, okay, expected 3 given
3
0.
given 0.
Missing 3 required position arguments or not. Now, hmm? Missing 2 position arguments or not. Yes or no? Now, missing 1 position argument or not. Now, Yes. Now take two positional argument 4 given. Okay na? But my question is what if you not pass anything, I don't want to give an error like this. If you pass one, some only one is there, one only I want. Some no, nothing is passed, the value is like 0. Some 1 2 you passed, the value is like what? 3. Some 1 2 3 passed, it is working as expected. 1 2 3 4 passed, then the time was okay. I'm expecting this particular output. I'm expecting this particular output. Tell me. Oh, how you want me to manage these odd scenarios without throwing this kind of error? Okay, that is only thing happened right here. Find also. See, find maximum take how many parameters? Find maximum take how many parameters? Tell me.
3%.
3 parameters. Here I how many I passed?
1.
1. Okay, there is no error. Okay, here also I can show you name dot find. If I run this one, okay, at least one. Okay, at least one argument should be there. Okay, that is one argument. If I pass, you said like 3, but it is gives me an error or not gives me an error? Tell me. No. Here how many I passed? 2, not gives me any error. Here how many you passed? 3, maximum 3. 3 passed, that's okay. But 4 it gives me an error. Then how you want me to manage? That is the question. Here also I don't want an error. Here also I don't want an error. Here also I don't want an error. Then how? Very simple error. Can I go with the how many types of parameters we learned already? One is like how many types of arguments we can see? Positional arguments. Next, keyword arguments. Next, default arguments. Next, variable length arguments. Next, keyword variable length arguments are not. These many types of arguments are there. Yes or no? Okay, another one is like actual format. That's okay. Now here, if I pass like a default value like this, if you not pass anything, it is going to take the default values. Yes or no? Tell me. Come on. If you not pass anything, then the time already you supplied the default value, so there is no problem at all. You can get the value like 0. Now, if you come here, the value is like 1. A value you supplied, B, C values are what? You not supplied, so that default value is only it is going to take. Okay, 1, 2, the output is like 3. 1, 2, 3, yes, all you supplied. So the default value is override by 1, 2, 3. Here, maximum 3 only, but you supplied 4, so that it gives me an error. Yes, sir. But as like find if you not pass the parameter, I want to throw an error. Then that time, I want to throw an error. Then that time, you have to handle the exception handling. You have to do exception handling. If I write like this, then the first parameter is what? Default value there or not there? Default value there or not there? Default value there or not there? No, not there. So that minimum 1 is required. Now, if you observe 1, 2, no problem at all. No problem at all. But exact like this, take at least one argument. This kind of user-defined error message, if you want, then that time you have to go with exception handling. For now, you comfort with this particular message or not? One required positional argument. Yes or no? Same like that error message, customize the error message if you want, then that time you can go with the exception handling. That time we can decide how we can customize your exception messages and everything. Okay, everyone? Agree with me, all of? Okay, now tell me, if in my Python, one function defined with some arguments, always you have to pass those many arguments. There has a possibility is there, handle in different way by using default parameters. If you don't have the default parameter exactly, you have to pass it. But if you set the default values, if you not pass also, they are going to take default values as like a normal actual values or not. Yes or no? Okay, na? Agree with me? Okay, then. Now next one. What is this? See, me also don't know about this method. You also don't know. Both we can elaborate our word. First, name is an object of which class? Come on, first. Name is an object of which class? String class. Inside the string class, index method is there or not there? A method is there or not there? String class A member is there or not there?
Not there.
Not there. So that what is error? String object has no attribute A. Yes, expected. Now inside the string class, index member there or not there?
There.
There. That's the reason. Okay, no error, nothing. Okay, it is which type? It is which type? Function. We can call like a method also. So you can call it. Whenever you call, see the error message. Index take at least one argument. At least one argument, so that you have to pass one argument or not. Which argument you have to pass? I don't know. Okay, can I pass like a 10? Can I pass like a 10? See that? Immediately I passed 10. He said like one argument. Nah, some take, where is that? Where is that? Yeah, overwritten. Okay, it's take one argument. At least one argument. Okay, one by one you can write. Yes, this is the function. Name dot index. Name dot index. Index take at least one argument. Yes. Name dot index of name dot index of 10. What is that? Must be. Come on, must be string, not int. Okay, it should be a string. So can I write like a string? Name dot index of okay. Small slight difference, that one and this one. You can tell, okay. What is the difference? Index and find difference is what? Index and find difference is what? By seeing this one. Tell me. Huh? By seeing this one, index and find difference is what? Very simple, right? Index, if it is there, it gives me an index value. Okay, if it is not there, gives me what? -1. But index, if it is not there, it throws what? Exception or not. What is that exception? Substring is not found. Okay, name dot index of okay C okay 1,4. 1,4. Yes. Name dot index C 1 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, it gives me an error. Same three arguments only it's taking or not. Now name dot index okay, not index, find c, this one just now we discussed c14. My output is what, 2. But if you write the same statement again, name dot index of z, okay, it gives me -1. Okay, name dot index of z, it gives me what, -1. Now throw an exception, throw an exception or not, that is only the difference. Okay, index and find syntactically and everything is like same. Okay, find is always returns me a number, a integer. Okay, the given substring, okay, given item is there, then that time it returns me the index, not there, -1. But if you come to the index, if it is there, it returns me what, that index. If it is not there, it is not returns me -1. It throws an exception or not. See this, it throws an exception. See, substring not found, error you getting or not. Understood everyone? Me, come on. We're okay. Hmm? Any questions? Okay, let's go down. The next one is like, name is like a Sachin. Now see, any method, this is only the way you have to elaborate. You have to analyze your own. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me something about these two statements? Can anyone tell me something about these two statements? Can anyone tell me something about these two statements? One. Name is an object, same story. Name is an object of string class. Inside the string class, count is a member or not? Yes, member. Now I am going to call it. Yes, you can call it. Take how many parameters? At least one argument. So that I pass it like 10. Now, if you come here, must be what? String, not int. Now, must be string is said. Okay, I said like, okay, I passed like yeah. Now, if you come here, okay, yeah, it's like 1. Now, come here. If I run this one, okay, name dot count, okay, z. If I run this one, now tell something about the count. Tell something about the count. Tell something about the count. Count method return type is what? Count method return type is what? Count method return type is like an integer. Integer. Okay, take how many parameters? Take how many parameters? I don't know. So can we check name dot count? Randomly just put something like this. If you want parameters list, okay, first one is at like what, the string, right? You can put like a string. After that, something like this you can put it, for example. Now if I run this one, see this, count take at most 3 arguments but 6 given. So you can understand like what? At most, come on, at most 3 only or not. At most 3 only or not. Next, if you write like this, 2, it is going to accept or not? Okay. Now tell me why it is like this. Count of A. If I write like count of A, it gives me something like this. Why? Very simple, right? You are looking for A. Okay, you have second parameter or not having. So second parameter not having means starting is like a 0 at the ending is like end of the string. Third parameter also not there. So that from here to here it is going looking for what? A. So how many are there? 3 are there. But here you're looking for A from starting index is what? 3. So where is that one? 0, 1, 2, 3. From here, how many A's are there? 2 A's are there. So that it gives me like a 2. 3, 5 in between. Starting is like what? 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, from here, 3, 5. Difference is what? How much? 2. So that HI. In HI, do we have A? No. So that it gives me 0 or not. All okay? About the counter. One item, how many times it's repeated. If you want to find, then you can go with the count. Okay. Okay, any questions? The next one is like a name. Okay, just I have such A, right? Name contains A, right? Just I want to replace that A with Z. So how we can just analyze and tell how we can. Come on, anyone? Best suitable method, tell me at least name. That is there or not there, we can check it. I want to replace A with Z. Replace only. There are not there are. There are not there are.
There.
There, right? Okay. Now take how many parameters? It's a function, right? Okay. I can call it. Replace expected at least 2 arguments. Got how many? Got how many?
0.
So that the first one is like 1025 past. Okay. First must be. Come on. First must be
String.
string. So that can I add like a string? Now if I click on this one, replace second must be
String.
string. So that can I add like this? Now if I click on this one, now see this, it's like now tell me what is the name? What is the name? Name is object of string only. The value tell me. Value. Sachina S20 CHIN.
Yes.
S20
CHI.
CHIN.
Sachin, I think.
Sachin, right? Why? What is the
It is
nature of
immutable.
it's immutable, right? String is like an immutable nature. Okay. Whenever you created, we are not change anything. You can replace it. Entire string you can replace. Entire name you can replace. But it is not allow you to do some changes in the actual string or not. If you change also, it gives an error. It gives an error. So replace maximum take how many parameters? Replace maximum take how many parameters?
Two.
replace. Okay, I'm writing like A. After that, Z. Okay, for example, 1 I added. 2, 3, 4, like this I added. Can I run this one? What is that? What is that? Come on.
3 arguments.
3 arguments. Supplied how many? 6. So you can confirm like what? How many arguments? Come on, how many arguments? 3 arguments or not? Now my third argument. What is the type? My third argument type is what? My third argument type is what? If I pass like this, if I pass like this, okay, what is this one? str object cannot interpret it as an integer. Str object cannot interpret it as an integer. It is nothing but what? It is nothing but what? Third argument should be what?
Teacher.
It's like an integer only or not. Okay, what is that integer? Okay, either 0, 1, 2, 3, like this you can pass it. Okay, this you can pass. Okay, this is my name. Name dot replace. Okay, what do you want me to replace? A with what? Z. If I pass like 10. If I pass like 10, what happened? What happened? Come on. Nothing, right? Did you find anything? No, right? Then what is the purpose of this index? What is this purpose of this index? Okay, where exactly this index is going to help to us? Can you check and can you come back? Okay, tomorrow, can you answer this question? Understood my question, right? Okay, my replace, you said like 3 parameters. Okay, yes, A, C, H, I, N. That's okay, fine. Okay, here third parameter is like a string, right? Okay, integer, right? If I pass like 1 also, I get like yes. Okay, if not pass also, if I get like this one only. Then what is the purpose of this index? That is the question. What is the purpose of this index? That is the question. Okay, can you sit and come back in tomorrow session? We can discuss. Understood, right? You can go to ChatGPT or wherever it is. Just find what is the purpose of the third argument of the replace. Okay, that one we can do it. Thank you guys. Thanks for joining.